My name is Animesh Sharma, KV number 1 Devu Road, Pune. Now I am going to present some special characteristics of animals. I am a dog. I have very strong sense of the smell. That's why I am used by police to get clues on the missing people and objects. I am an eagle. I can focus on 2 different things at a time. My eyesight is 4 times sharper than human beings. I am a snake. I have no ears, but I can feel and know the victims through the vibrations on the ground. I am a tiger. My eyesight is extremely powerful and I have whiskers to sense movement around me. I have a strong sense of hearing too.